May I come in, ma'am?
Yes, come in. Please be seated.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. What's your full name?
This is Ariful Islam, but you can call me Ariful because this is my nickname. And I'm quite familiar with this name. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Is your name important to you?
Yes, of course. Because it's my identity. This name represents me to the world.
Can I see your ID, please?
Sure, ma'am. Here it is.
It's okay. Take it.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Where are you from?
Actually, I'm from Dhaka, but currently I'm living at Manikganj, a very beautiful district of Bangladesh.
How old are you?
I'm not more than 35.
Do you work or study?
Actually, I'm a student.
What do you study?
I study English at a school.
Where do you study?
I study English at Kids English Club. Thank you very much for your nice and wonderful question, ma'am.
Welcome. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Take care, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.